How to make easy and delicious avocado toast. Start with ripe avocado, crispy fried onions, and your preferred toast. First, slice the avocado lengthwise. Then remove the pit. Next, we scoop the meat of the avocado and put it inside a bowl. Now let's add seasoning. I'm using garlic salt and black pepper. Mash the avocado. Spread the avocado onto the toast. Then sprinkle fried onions for the topping. Enjoy your delicious avocado toast. If you learned something from this video, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for supporting my channel.